guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this super easy to follow look. I use the Huda Beauty Mint palette to create this look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial as it's so easy to follow. It looks dramatic, but I promise you it is so easy to create this look. And before we move ahead, don't forget to press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Saniksha Adnani and I post tutorials here once or twice a week. Now let's get started. I'm gonna start with the Neoid primer. This one is the Neoid Photography Fluid Primer. Really good to correct any redness or marks on the face before adding foundation. It's a bit tricky to use this primer because you have to use it really fast before it dries up. So you have to move your hands really fast before it dries up somewhere on your face. Then it gets difficult to blend, but it's an amazing primer. Adding it all over my face, my forehead, my nose, my neck. For foundation, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder foundation. This is the Double Wear foundation. Next, I'm adding the Double Wear concealer. This is by Estee Lauder in the shade 3W medium. I'm adding this as a concealer right under my eye. This concealer is lighter than my foundation, which will brighten my face as my foundation was dark. Next, I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. That is the bridge of my nose, the forehead just above my lips, the chin, around the lips, and right under where I would do contouring. Then I'm using the same sponge, this is the Fenty Beauty sponge, to blend and spread the concealer. Always remember, don't add extra pressure, just gently. And I'm going in the same order as I applied, that is under eye, then the forehead, then bridge of the nose, above the lips, around the lips, and then under the contouring. Then I'm using the back of my beauty sponge to blend the rest of the area. To blend this, I'm going in downward direction. Next, I'm adding the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder. This one is in the shade Banana. I'm going to first take a small brush and add the powder wherever I added the concealer. This powder immediately brightens wherever I add the powder. Definitely my current favorite powder. And I'm adding it on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, right under where I would do contouring, then on my laugh line, on my chin. And then I'm using a large fluffy brush to add powder all over the face and on my neck. Next, I'm going to add the Dior contouring. I'm going to start with the darker shade. I'm adding this right about the cheeks, just going in downward direction. And then I'm going to contour the jawline, just going back and forth. Contouring brings back the dimension to the face. Next up is another new palette to my collection. This one is the Natasha Denona Bloom palette. I just love the packaging. It is so beautiful and I just hope I don't ruin it. I love this small flap over here to protect the blush from the other two powders. How cool is that? And the packaging is just beautiful. It has got a mirror and I don't think I have a blush this intense. Like I've never ever got a blush this intense. Anyways, let's get started with the highlight shade first. I'm gonna take this shade first as my highlighter. I'm not sure if you can see how pretty this highlight shade is. I'm trying to add some extra light to just show it to you guys. Highlight usually shows up in those extra lights. Oh my god, it is so beautiful and it blends so easily. Just adding one more layer. I really hope the camera is picking up this beautiful shade. Doubt it. Next, I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose. As this highlight is quite pigmented, I'm just adding 2 layers on my nose, then above the lips and on the chin. Next, I'm gonna take the blush. I'm really scared to use it because it is so dark. I've never used a darker shade, but I'm so sure it's gonna look so good. I'm scared, but I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. Mine, I just took like really tiny amount on my brush. Gonna take some more. That's my second layer, and each time I just took like a little bit, some more. By the way, the formula of this blush is so different. I've never seen a blush with such a formula. It's a beautiful formula, I must tell you. It's just like melting into my skin. It's like one of those liquid blushes, but liquid blushes are very difficult to blend. But this one is so easy. I told you this color is gonna look so pretty on my skin tone. Love it. It's gonna be my new favorite blush. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows using the Great Brow Basics from the Benefit. I already have a tutorial on how I do my brows, so if you want to see how I do my brows, go check it out. I'll post the link down below. And now let's get started with the eyes. I'm gonna start by using the Huda Beauty palette. This is the Mint palette. I'm gonna start by adding the shade on my crease and all over my eyelid, just up to my crease. And once there's no color left on the brush, I'm blending out the edges of the crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade on a small dome brush. I'm first adding the shade to my inner corner and my inner lower lash line and just taking it a bit higher. Just going to add a second layer and brighten this color a bit more. And now that's the third and the final layer. Just adding it to my inner corner, just making it a bit more darker, and my lower lash line and the inner corner, like over here. I'm again taking that same blue shade on a small pencil brush this time and just adding it to the lower lash line, just the outer 1/4 of the lower lash line, and on my outer area. This color has a bit of fallout because they are pastel matte shades, so just be careful. Just adding it to the lower lash line and the outer 1/4. Next, I'm adding the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I'm adding the curl side first, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and on the bottom lashes too, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm adding the volume side, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and on the lower lashes too, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm adding the Smashbox eyeliner. This one is in navy blue. The name of the shade is Private, and I'm adding it on my waterline. Just the blank, like skin color waterline never suits me, I feel. So I am just adding a dark blue to my waterline, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. So I went ahead and added the Huda Beauty lashes. This one is in Olivia. And now for lipstick, I'm gonna add the Fenty Beauty lipstick. This one is in Unbuttoned and Unattached. I'm first gonna take Unattached and add it to the center of my lips. Next, I'm gonna take Unbuttoned and add this all over my lips and even above the previous shade. The wand of Fenty Beauty lipsticks are the best ever. So easy to do the edges and then it dries up to be perfect corner. I wish they had some better colors. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy to follow tutorial. I love creating such easy to follow tutorial which are dramatic but at the same time super easy to follow. And before you go, don't forget to like and comment on my post down below, and do subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I'll see you all soon in my next tutorial. Bye for now.